Today I'll be demonstrating different strategies for solving the subtraction computation 513 subtract 344. First, I will make a reasonable estimate. I know that 513 is only a little bit more than 500. I also know that 344 is close to 350. I can see that 500 subtract 350 is equal to 150, which will be my estimate. Now I can model the problem using base 10 blocks. So I'll start with 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 10, 13, 513. To subtract 344, I will first subtract 300. 100, 200, 300. I still must subtract 44. To subtract the 40, I need to exchange my 100 for enough tens. So 100 for 10 tens. Now I can subtract 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. I still have to subtract the remaining 4. I do not have enough 1 blocks to do that, so I will exchange one 10 block for 10 ones. Now I can subtract the remaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm left with is 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 160, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 169. I've just demonstrated that 513 subtract 344 is equal to 169. I can also demonstrate this pictorially. I'll use squares to represent the hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Lines will represent the 10 blocks, 10, and dots will represent the 1 blocks. 11, 12, 13. 513. First, I subtracted 300. I'll put them to the side here. That left me with 100, 200, 13. Next, I subtracted the 40. I had to exchange 100 for 10 tens. Then I was able to subtract 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. I'll put them to the side over here. Finally, I had to subtract 4. I didn't have enough ones, so I exchanged another 10 block for 10 ones. Then I was able to subtract the remaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I put them to the side. What I was left with was 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 169. I can also show this with symbols. So for 513, subtract 344. My first step was to subtract 300 from 513. That was equal to 213. Next, I subtracted 40, which is equal to 173. Finally, I subtracted 4, which is equal to 169. A different, more flexible strategy that can be used involves mostly mental computation, but I will record some symbols. So for the computation 513 subtract 344, I am going to use compensation to make a more compatible number. I can add 56 to 344, which will give me 400. To compensate, I'll do the same to 513. 513 plus 56 is equal to 569. 569 subtract 400 is equal to 169.